Hello, my dear beautiful beings. So I'm preparing a class on stress and I wanted to ask you a question. I'm going to just check that I'm live on my page so I can see your comments in case some people join live. And I wanted to ask you, are you glad that this is Monday today? And maybe if you are in another country, it's not Monday anymore. Or it is not Monday yet. No, I think we're last. It may not be Monday anymore. But are you glad it's Monday, or do you hate Mondays? Do Mondays stress you up? Because since it's the beginning of the week and we're talking about moms, Monday is sometimes very, very, very stressful. You know, the kids are going back to school. As it is today, we don't have school here in the US because it's Martin Luther King Day, but on a regular Monday, you start the week again, so you need to make sure you have everything for the week if you're a single mom, because the week is always a little bit hectic. And what you may not notice is that you're doing that week after week after week. And while you're doing that, you are creating a wiring in your brain that will automatically stress you up on Mondays. When there is school, when you know you have to start the week, you don't even have to do it consciously if you want. You don't even have to really ask yourself the question. It's going to be there. Hello there, if you joined us. So you don't even have to do it consciously, you're just stressed. It's Monday, end of the story. Your brain has a habit of stressing on Mondays, and we do that a lot. Maybe for you it's not Monday, but maybe for you it's morning when you have to get the kids ready, even if they're teens. Maybe you need to assist them in a way or make sure that they get up. Maybe for you it's in the evening because you know you have to cook, or on certain days because you know you have to feed the gym, you have to do everything, or maybe at work on certain days you have reports to present. Whatever it is, I used to stress toward the end of the day because I knew all the things I had to do in the evening. And literally, I used to approach the house, and before I even put the garage door up, I was already stressed. My physiological reaction to me coming home was stress in my body, all the biochemicals of stress. And guess what? First of all, it's not good for your health. Second of all, you come home, you're already stressed, so there is a better chance for you to have more difficult, conflictual relationships with your teenagers because they can be sometimes not that easy on top of it all. So add stress on top of that, and you're adding oil to the fire. So when are you the most stressed, or when do you see stress being a recurrent feeling in your body on a regular basis? Start examining now, start scanning your days and see what you're doing, see if there are certain moments of your day, certain moments of your week, certain moments of your month, certain people who make you stressed. Start noticing, because as you know, awareness is the beginning of change. So as soon as you start noticing your stress, you are already starting to heal. That's the beginning. And if you want to go deeper, I have a free class coming this Saturday at 11. You can go to singleanddoingitall.com/free and register. It's totally free. If you can't attend live, you can attend it on replay. We will have very deep processes to start not only learning to let go of stress, but to use your stress in your advantage to create the life you want. So I really recommend, most of the people that I know, and especially moms, struggle with stress. That's not something that is good for your body, good for your life, good for anybody. Bonjour Valérie. So if that's you, don't hesitate. Join the free class. I will put the link for the class in the description of this video. And I really, really hope to see you on the other side. So Valérie, just in case you want to answer, do you struggle from stress? I don't know you as a stressed person, but maybe you have your episodes of stress. I'm gonna close now because I have something to do and I don't want to be stressed about it. I don't want to have to run for it, but I really expect to see you in the class if you want to start working on your life. Bye for now, and I wish you a wonderful, relaxed Monday. Bye.